Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of x squared plus 1 over x squared minus 1 everything to the power of 2 dx. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. First, we need to multiply number 2 and number 2 in here. Next, you go about x squared plus 2x plus 1 and x squared minus 2x plus 1. Because we have 2x squared in here, 2 number 1 and 2x cancel 2x. Next, this one we change for x plus 1 square. This one we change to x minus 1 square. About this one, we can change into x minus 1 square and x plus 1 square. So now we divide this one with this one, and you will get about 1 over 2. So you got about 1 over x minus 1 square and 1 over x plus 1 square, and you got about dx. Next, the integral of 1 over x minus 1 square, you will get about negative 1 over x minus 1, and the next one you got about negative 1 over x plus 1. And this is the final answer. That's the end. Thank you for watching.